Leet code 30. Substring with concatenation of all words. You are given a string S and an array of strings words. All the strings of words are the same length. A concatenated string is a string that exactly contains all strings of any permutation of words. So if words has AB, which is length of 2, and the rest will be 2, then a permutation will be of length 6 of any combination of those 3. Return an array of the starting indices of all the concatenated substrings in S. You can return the answer in any order. Okay. So if not S or not words or words length is equal to 0, return empty. We have a word len of words of 0 dot length. We have a word count equal to words dot length. We have a sublength equals word len times word count, words, dot dot dot. And then we can create a frequency map if there's multiple ABs in words, potentially. Word of words. And then we can build our frequency map. Frequency.get word. And then we'll have a result. And then we just have to go to the substring of S minus the sublength. For our starting indice. And then we can make a map of scene that we can check against the frequency map to see if we've got a valid answer. J less than the word count, since that'll be the max. And then the word start is going to be I plus j times word len. And then our word's going to be equal to s dot substring word start and word start plus word len, since it's not inclusive. So then we can check if frequency has that word. If it doesn't, then we can break. Otherwise, we can add it to scene. And then we can check the count. If we get the same word too many times that exceeds the frequency amount, we can also break. Otherwise, we make it out. Then we can check the frequency of each key against each other, against the words in scene. So scene.get word. If it's equal to the frequency of get word, we can, that means we have a proper permutation, and we can add that starting index. And then we can return the result. Line 12, new map. Capital N. Capital M. Keyword. For const. Oh. Word of words. No output. Interesting. Length is spelled properly. Set docket. Interesting. Let's see what could have gone wrong. Oh. Because we're subtracting some length. But because this won't be inclusive. Word count is typed correctly. And word len is typed correctly. And word start is typed correctly. Substring. Word. Oh. Well, that's not right. We're not citing scene at all. Oh my gosh, no wonder it was empty. I would never fulfill this one. Holy cow. Typos and typos. 36% and 44. Oh, well, 44 is okay. It's all very close here. 36% though. What the frick? 2,000 to 22. It must be I. I could probably do like I plus equals word length or something of some sort. Not sure though. Alright, now in Python or not words, we can return and then word len words, word count equals len words. Sub length is going to be equal to word len times word count. And frequency, like so, for our word and words. Frequency, in Python, frequency dot get word. Either we get the word or it's a new one. Result equals. Is this right? Frequency bracket equals frequency dot get word. Okay. I think this is right. For I in range of the length of S minus sub length plus 1. And then scene is going to be equal to a new frequency map for J in range word count. And then word start is going to equal to I plus J times word len. And then word is going to be equal to the substring of S of word start to word start plus word len. So if word not in the frequency, not return break. Otherwise, we can add it to scene. Scene word equals scene dot get word. And if scene word is greater than frequency word break. Otherwise, otherwise we reach the end. I don't even think we have to check. Huh. If we reach the end, then... Well, this already satisfies everything. If we reach the end. If both these are satisfied, then... no. I'd even have to do that in JavaScript. Yeah, long check to match scene to frequency map. Huh. Because it's already true if we pass through J and follow both these conditions. Again, 8,000 to 59. Holy cow. Alright. And that was Leet code 30, substring with concatenation of all words.